welcome back to Creations by Kim. And I have just spent about an hour or however long mixing paints. I've got a ton of different colors here, and I was trying to think of something different. I have increased the size of my canvas. This is about 4 times the size as I've usually been doing. They've been 8 by 10, and this is a 16 by 20. Which, let's see, here's an 8 by 10, so definitely a lot smaller and everything, and jumping up in size. Might be a bit big, but I'm feeling froggy, so let's jump with it. And I'm going to try again something new. Hope y'all enjoyed all the Mother's Day videos that I put out. That kind of wore me out on video editing, so now I am ready to play with some paint and get back to the fun of everything. And I really don't know how this is going to turn out, and I'm just going to start pouring paint on the canvas, and hopefully I come out with something workable and that looks halfway decent. So anyway, let's get started. I don't really know what order I'm putting this stuff in, so I'm just going to kind of pour it, and then we'll just kind of swap it around and see how it goes. Let's see. think that's good. Can you see it? Let's see if we can get rid of the glare without getting paint everywhere again. Alright, well that was my attempt at a, and I'm not going to be able to get away from the glare of my lights. Let's see. But anyway, alright, well you get the gist of it. I think that turned out pretty cool. I was trying to create a valley, but tilted it around. I almost kind of ended up with a mountain and valley range. I'm not sure what's up with all these bubbles up here. Cells coming up, but I guess we'll just go with it. Alright, well thanks for watching Creations by Kim. Let me know what you think in the comments and everything. If you liked it, be sure to share it and everything. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I am getting fascinated with all these little dots down here coming up, the cells, and just all the character that's coming out in the landscape. So anyway, again, I'm excited with how this turned out. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and let me know what you think. And thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.